What up? What's going on? Hope everybody's doing good. Today it is Monday, so today, usually I do it on the weekend. Damn, it's loud. Freaking highway. So, my thing is, today I am working on the engine mounts that actually I do have. And so, the problem with that is what is the problem? I don't know. I'm singing myself to sleep. Oh, hold on. I know it's good though. So here's the problem. So one of the bolts are. All right. So one of the bolts is, I should say, it's jammed. And what I had to do was cut it, so I get this last bolt out. I got one out, but of course I gotta get the other one out. And so this is gonna be real fun. That take out. I put PB blaster on it, so it's soaked over a couple days. And excuse me, I'm not that rude. I won't say. I will always say excuse me. The sun is killing me right now. It's nice today. But anyway, I'm gonna get it up and done, and I'm doing way too much right now. Trying to straighten this out. Actually, that's cool. Yes, I did it. So yes, I'm gonna. Sorry, the sun is killing me right now. So I'm gonna get it done. Hopefully, I get it out the way. The motor mounts is. Damn it! I'm losing my brain cells today. Can't think for crap. So here's what I'm working on. Let's see if we can figure it out. Alright, so these are torque solutions. So I'm gonna put the torque solution for the new motor mounts in the front. Get that out the way, because I really need to get this car up and running. I'm putting pressure on myself, because if I don't do it, nobody else gonna do it but me anyway. So anyway, we're gonna keep it going. I'm gonna knock this out the plates. I just want to get this done and over with. I want to get everything done and over with. Let me see what else. But today is a beautiful day. I'm glad that you subscribe, and I'm glad that you're hopefully hitting your notifications. What else? Can't think. Today I'm having road brain fart. But anyway, thanks for subscribing. Thanks for putting your notification on. Thanks for watching me. It's gonna be a journey for me again to do everything I need to do, and it's just myself doing this stuff. If any sponsors out there would like to sponsor me some earbags, that'd be nice. Laugh out loud. Just joking. Well, I'm not joking. But anyway, but I guess I'm gonna have to put this work in before I get all that done. I'm just joking. I'm putting that out there. I'm just gonna put that. I'm not gonna say I'm joking. I'm gonna put that out there. But anyway, I'll get back to you in a couple minutes. Let me get this stuff straightened out, and then be back. Yeah, yo. So what's up? Besides a lot of traffic, but other than that, the weather is good. 65 degrees in Connecticut, finally. Yes, whoop whoop. So here is where I'm at with this engine mount. The bolt, nope, I'm lying. The nut that's in here, it's twisted, so it's not lining up with my engine mount. So guess what I gotta do? Labor! Not fun. So I gotta cut out one side. I gotta cut through here, right through here. Let me see. Yep, right through here. Either I have like a nut that's right there, but I gotta JB weld it. But other than that, we will see how this rocks out. I think I'm gonna do good. And it's better to have your car in the shop than do it yourself. So it's nice again, like I said, it's gonna be raining, thunderstorm, and all that stuff. But excuse me, sorry. So I'm gonna do what I gotta do, and I'm gonna show you. Hopefully, cross fingers, toes, shoelaces, and still a leprechaun. I will succeed. See you in a minute. What's up? So today I am finishing up. Hopefully, cross my fingers that everything's going on. Yeah, it's always hot. It's always high. Loud where I'm at. But anyway, so I end up for the lower motor mount. It's too damn. Wish I had a house. Hold on. Now it's missing. Hey. Alright, there you go. Kind of block off some type of way. But anyway, yeah, so I'm finished up the motor mount. Came here a couple of days ago. I did some JBL welding in the beginning. Had to cut this side out. But on the other side, right inside, I just gotta put that in there. The new, what is this? I don't know if you can see it. Torque Solution motor mounts. Only thing I definitely need is the ones for the top one. So I happen to do it. I had to take the two bolts, the nuts out for that one, and drop the motor. But it do fit. Torque Solution, yeah, it fits. Son of a gun. You gotta be kidding me. What's going on, everybody? Hope everybody's doing well. Hope everybody's weekend is good. I finished installing the Torque Solution engine motor mount on my 1990s. Nope. It's a 2000 Honda Civic. I don't know why I got 96. Oh, I know why, because it's on the box. So, this is a catch. This is my right side of motor mounts. Here's my left side. You know why I look like that? Because I had to cut it and I was having a hard time getting the bolt off. And so, that is Torque Solution. That's why I get 90. Here's one I did. I got to finish screwing that in. That looked like that because one of the bolts was messed up. So I had to do a customized fabrication. It is beautiful outside. Woohoo! I'm into the light, back into the dark. And here is the right hand side. It fits very well. I really didn't have to do no type of modification with that side. Yeah, man, so, you know, this light, it is nice outside. Sheesh. Good Lord. Yeah, so everything else, you know, down the line, I'll make everything happen. I don't even question things, how I make things happen. It just happens. Once it's in a great way, in a positive way, I'm cool with that. Sorry, I'm fidgeting with stuff. I don't know why. But, yeah, so I got lots more to go on this car. Got a couple things going on with this car. Well, not even hopefully, it's gonna happen. I gotta do some headers, alternator, fuel injectors, and I'm just having fun with the car. But also, I appreciate you guys like, subscribe, share. I'm just being patient with it. You know, everything's gonna happen for a great reason this year. I got a great feeling this year it's gonna be the best one for me, because I see, like I said, previous times I had this car for like 11 years and I never did nothing to it. But you know, I had stuff done to the car and it didn't come out. So this year I can't change the past, but I'm gonna make my future better with the car, greater. I'm gonna share a quick little message with you before I be out. Don't tap into things if you feel like you're gonna tap back out, because if you start tapping out, then you just start over again. It's not wrong starting over again, but keep tapping into stuff that you really desire, you want, what you're building, what you're creating. And I feel like that's for me, because I feel like every time I do something with my car, I feel like I'm gonna tap out. I can't tap out. Right now I'm tapping in. I'm gonna do what I gotta do. You know, I don't have no extra help. I don't mind if I do have extra help. You know, sponsorship would be cool down the line, all that good stuff. But again, I'm gonna tap in, and I'm gonna keep tapping in. I can't tap out. So on that note, appreciate you looking, watching, like, share, subscribe, share, and I'm out.